How to solve issues with multi-channel selling, Amazon plus Shopify. Follow the instructions. Sync inventory across Amazon and Shopify using an app that updates stock in real time. Manage all orders in one dashboard to avoid delays and confusion. Keep product prices consistent by setting rules or using pricing tools. Choose one main fulfillment method and connect it to both platforms. Use Shopify to build your brand and Amazon for wider reach. Combine sales and traffic data into one report for better insights. Follow Amazon policies carefully to avoid account issues. Automate review requests and post-purchase emails. Use customer service tools that track messages from both channels. Test and adjust your strategy regularly based on performance. Thank you for watching.